All right, for the next skill here, it says that they want us to identify the proportional relationships from graphs and equations. So we're looking at these two graphs, all right? So we have to select the graphs that show a proportional relationship between x and y. So basically, whenever x goes to the right, y goes up. Whenever x goes to the right, y goes up, all right? I can tell right away, all right, that they both start at 0 somewhere. All right, this one is 0, 0. Oops, 0. Let me start over with that. Choose a different color. 0, 0 starts here. This one starts up here at the point where x, remember this is x right here, x is at 0, y is up at 2. All right, so remember, if it's a proportional relationship, then that means every time x moves, y moves too. All right, if x goes down, y might go down. All right, y could also be, positive or negative. X could be positive or negative. It doesn't matter as long as they are both moving and it's constant. All right. It says right here that the graph of a proportional relationship between x and y is a straight line passing through the origin of 0, 0. So with that right away, we can tell, oh, this first one starts at 0, 0, right? I'm going to call this A. The second one, B, does not start at 0, 0. It starts at 0, 2. If a proportional relationship between x and y must start at the origin 0, 0, then that means B right here cannot be a proportional. It cannot be a graph with a proportional relationship between x and y. All right, now let's try some examples. All right, so then for this first example here, I see that this first graph starts at 0, 0, and the second one starts at 0, 0. So they should both be proportional. I'm going to click on both and submit. It's correct. All right. Again, these both start at 0, 0. All right. So I'm going to click on them. However, this situation is different. All right. If you look at the first graph, it's a straight line. The second graph is not a straight line. So that's how you know that your answer should have just been the first one. All right, the second one is not correct. All right, because it has to be a straight line. Now let's do the next one. Same thing. All right, they both start at 0, 0. They're both straight lines. I'm going to click on both. This time, I don't have a graph, but I can see right away, oh, if it's not adding something, all right, or subtracting something, that means it's starting at 0, 0. So I know that right away both of them should be proportional graphs. All right. This first one, again, does not add or subtract anything, so I can click on that first one. However, the second one is subtracting 8, all right? That means on the graph, all right, I need to start at negative 8. And then it's going to go up 5x. If that's the case, I'm not going to choose that one because it's not starting at the origin. Remember, the origin has to be at 0, 0 here. All right, it does not start here, so I cannot choose this one. All right, and I hope that helps.